Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
Hey gang, Scooter from Toys here, testing out the wireless CarPlay adapter from, apologies, I'm going to butcher this name, TERUNSOUI? Regardless of the company name, this is a plug-and-play adapter that enables you to wirelessly project your iPhone on any CarPlay compatible vehicle's infotainment screen. The unboxing is quite simple, as you can imagine. There's the adapter, instructions, and a USB Type-A to Type-C adapter, depending on what port your vehicle has. The installation process is really as simple as plugging the device into your car and connecting it via Bluetooth. The adapter popped up in my iPhone's Bluetooth settings immediately. Then I just tapped and sent a pairing request to the car and accepted it in the vehicle's infotainment screen. The only issue I came across was that when the adapter was plugged in, my SUV had trouble recognizing that my key fob was in the front seat with me, so it wouldn't start until I unplugged the adapter. It may have something to do with the Bluetooth frequencies, I'm not sure, but that was a bit of a pain. Once I was connected to the wireless CarPlay adapter, my compatible apps were then displayed on my SUV's center screen. This included Google Maps for navigation and of course, Spotify for tunes. I was able to seamlessly change songs from my phone or from the vehicle itself, including my steering wheel while driving, which was convenient. The adapter is available in both CarPlay and Android Auto versions and costs $70.99, but use the link in the description below for an exclusive sale price. Catch you guys on the next one.